Hello and welcome back to Norfolk Airguns. This week, pistols. Let's head into the intro and we'll have ourselves a look-sees. So what are we looking at this week? Well, it's the Hatsan 25 pistol kit. Let's head to the bench view and we'll see what we get, shall we? Right then, let's get that out of the way. So that's your Mod 25 pistol kit. Let's open it up. Let's have a look already. So you're going to get your instruction manual. That's the first bit. You get some 14 by 14 targets. It's a cocking aid. The pistol itself. This is a 2.2. And as it's a kit, in here you get some Hatsan flash pellets, and you get yourself a 14 by 14 card holder, which obviously these will go into. So that's what you get in the box. So let's just look at the pistol, shall we? So it is your typical break barrel pistol. Like I said, you can cock it that way. It is a lot easier when you fit on the cocking aid. There we go. Remember, that's a cocking aid, not a suppressor. It does absolutely nothing as far as I'm aware of. No, it is, we're going that way, completely hollow. So it is just a cocking aid, this one. Lovely, so that helps you break it a bit easier. It's all plastic, metal on top. I'm assuming, yeah, plastic on the outside of the barrel, but the barrel itself is metal. You've got a trigger, plastic trigger guard, and the safety is just on the side here. Cut that properly. We've got ourselves fibre optic rear sights, adjustable, with a fibre optic front sight. So that's nice. Only qualm so far is there's a bit of movement, and I don't know why. If that serves a purpose for recall, I guess we'll see when it comes to shooting it, won't we? Right then, so let's talk features. So the Mod 25 is a break barrel pistol. It does not have a two-stage adjustable trigger. It doesn't have a two-stage that I'm aware of. The safety is a manual safety, and it's on the side. So you push it to the left, safety is off. Push it to the right, safety is on. What else we got? The stock, as I said, it's a synthetic stock. And as far as I can tell, oh no, it does appear to be ambidextrous. It's got finger slots on both sides, so that's nice. So it is an ambidextrous stock. Barrel is rifled steel, and as I also said, it comes with the cocking aid to make your life a little bit easier. You can't fit a silencer as far as I'm aware of. No, it's not a threaded barrel. So it'd be interesting to see how much noise that makes shortly. Rear sights are adjustable. Front sights are fixed, as I said. With, yeah, both being fibre optic, which that's always nice. It does come with dovetail mounts, 11mm. So a scope or red dot can be fitted to it. I'm tempted to put a scope on this in a little while. We'll see. But there's your features on the pistol. And technical. So the pistol comes in at 177 and 2.2. This is a 2.2 variety, and obviously it's a pellet gun. The total length of the pistol is 14.5 inches, sorry, so 37 centimeters. with the barrel being 6.3 inches, so 16 centimeters. Weight is 1.2 kilos, so that's 2.7 pounds. And as I've always said before, you fit a scope. Power wise, this is the UK, so we have restrictions. This shouldn't be any more than 6 foot-pound. I'm going to probably swing and say it's going to be about 3.5, maybe 4 foot-pounds, which we'll see when we chrono it shortly. So what we're going to do, we're going to do this one at the home range. I don't need the distance, as I would do for a normal range. For the normal reviews, I can do them anyway, but we'll just do this at 6 yards, as we do with all our pistol shoots. Let's get out on the range, shall we? Okay, so we've got a target set up at 9 yards, at 6 yards, and we're going to start off using the pellets that come with it. So the Hatsan Flash. The domes, 18.13 grain, so they're fairly heavy. Let's have a look at how this is going to perform. As always, I'll be doing 5 shots. Right, let's have a look, shall we? Safety is off. It's got a heavy trigger. Seagulls. So that was the Hatsan pellets. Let's give it else a go, shall we? See what else it likes, if it likes any at all. So that's pellet testing done. Let's go check out how bad it actually was, shall we? Well, it didn't really like anything. it started to like BSA Gold Stars, and then for a hissy fit, same pellets were a no, JSBs no, Centers no, Wasps no, Pound Nails no, being somewhat BSA, but not very good with the 6 kinds of pellets I stuck down the barrel today. And on to final thoughts of the pistol. It's okay. It's not in any way, shape, or form accurate. Not with the types of pellets I use. The sets of pellets I used anyway. Didn't want to play. It has got a bit of a kick to it, but it is a big pistol, which I think the reason why that moves is to somewhat adjust with your recoil. I think a little bit more time to play with it, and you can probably get it somewhat accurate. Power wise, I'll just pop that back up again. There you go. We weren't expecting over 5 foot-pounds, so shocked with that. I was expecting that to be a little bit lower, but again, it's a 2.2, so it's a bit more of a hand cannon. It gives it a bit more poo as it goes. Sights are lovely. It does hold quite nice for this for the plastic stock, and the brake barrel assist does help nicely, so that's good. While we're on the subject, obviously you saw I was shooting at the target it comes, well, the pellet catcher it comes with. I'll take that out, so I silence it in the garden. And it has, bear in mind it's just taken accuracy, pellet test shots and the chrono test shots at it. There's no, it's got some marking on the back of the inside, but nothing coming out the back. And I have had one of these before, another brand, and after about 10-15 shots it was starting to penetrate for the back, so I give that up as a bad idea. And that's when I switched to these guys, the lovely steel target ones from Air Target Company. So that is nice, I give it that, and it's got holes in the back so you can hang it up on things, which I'm tempted to do. Find a bit of wood that I can fit in the back of my range just to hold it up a bit, because I'd also like to, I've got a 17mm one down the bottom there, 17cm one, but I'm dilly-daddling, I'm waffling on. Fun little pistol, need to have a little bit more of a zero with it, find some different pellets, just try again. So I might do a separate video on that. But for, what are they? I can't remember what it costs now for the whole kit. Not a lot. It's less than 100 quid for the full package. Targets, target holder, the pistol, and the Hatsan flash pellets. I don't know if you get flash every time, because on the box, where have I put that? Can't remember now. But on the box it was showing pointy pellets. I don't know, I've actually put the box to this. Anyway, so I don't know if you get the flash in every packet or you get different ones every time. What do you want, Mutt? Chill out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye for now. With every shot I find my flow in the silence after this.